Assignment for second chapter. So here total 20 questions I have given. These are the 10 and other 10 I will be giving. The first question is, name the innermost and outermost wall layers of a microsporangium. We have already discussed the structure of microsporangium, so you have to name both the innermost and outermost wall layers of the microsporangia. Second, a bilobed dithecous anther has 100 microspore mother cell per microsporangium. How many male gametophyte can this anther produce? So here you have to calculate the entire amount of gametophyte produced by the anther, and all the details are given in this question. Question number 3, what is germ pore? Here just you have to define the germ pore. Question number 4, state the significance of pollination. So here you have to state the significance of pollination as to what is the role of pollination in flowering plants. Question number, and why this pollination is required. Question number 5, name the protective envelopes of an ovule. We have studied the structure of the ovule, so you have to only name the protective envelopes of an ovule. Question number 6, when does the cell wall formation start in the organization of the embryo sac? So the answer for this question you will get in the development of female gametophyte. Question number 7, the meiocyte of rice has 24 chromosomes, so you have to calculate the number of chromosomes in its endosperm. If the meiocyte of rice is having 24 chromosomes, then when the endosperm will be produced in this rice, what will be the number of chromosomes in its endosperm? Question number 8, what happens to the endosperm in seeds like castor? We have already discussed type of seeds. Question number 9, give differences between the two cells enclosed in a mature male gametophyte of an angiosperm. Here you have to first name the two cells which are enclosed in a mature male gametophyte, and then you have to differentiate. You can give two differences. 10th, you have to differentiate between syncarpus and apocarpus pistils with example. So here also you can give just 2 points. One, you can define what is syncarpus and apocarpus pistil, and other point you can give the example of both syncarpus and apocarpus pistil. Question number 11, how many haploid cells are present in an unfertilized embryo? Here you have to give the number of cells, that is haploid cells, in an unfertilized embryo sac of the flowering embryo sac of the flowering plant, and you have to name each and every cell. First you have to name the cell present in the embryo sac, unfertilized embryo sac, and you have to give the ploidy of those cells. Question number 12, you have to differentiate between parthenocarpy and parthenogenesis, that is parthenocarpy and parthenogenesis both are different, and you can explain this giving 2 points and a difference. Total 3 points you can give. Question number 13, differentiate between geitonogamy and xenogamy. Here you have to give differences, 2 differences and 1 example. Question number 14, you have to differentiate between cleistrogamous and chasmogamous flowers. This you have to find out from the textbook, as I have not discussed. So you have to, before answering each and every question, you have to read the textbook thoroughly, and then you have to give 2 differences between these flowers, and you can give an example. Question number 15, you have to draw a diagram of a typical anatropous ovule, and this question according to the viewpoint of exam is very important question. You can say it's VIP. Question number 16, here you have to explain the development of male gametophyte. Here you have to explain each and every step in the development of male gametophyte. Question number 17, you have to explain double fertilization. After the entry of the pollen tube into the embryo sac, what happens? That is double fertilization and triple fusion, and you have to define both, explain and define both. Question number 18, explain the development of female gametophyte. Here you have to explain the development of female gametophyte. Question number 19, here you have to describe the structure of young anther as you have seen in the transverse section. And question number 20, you have to draw neat and label diagrams of pollen grain, embryo sac, dicot seed and monocot seed. Okay.